In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action in ClickUp effectively. We all know how mistakes can happen when managing tasks and projects, but with ClickUp's handy features, you can quickly reverse those accidental actions and get back on track. Let's dive into the various ways you can undo actions, explore some essential tools, and make sure you're fully equipped to handle any misstep. To start, let's talk about using the undo button. Anytime you delete an item, like a task or a comment, ClickUp provides a convenient notification or undo button right after your action. This button doesn't stick around for long, so make sure you click it promptly to restore the item. It's a lifesaver when you realize an accidental click has removed something important. In the case of task descriptions, you'll notice a clock-like icon. This feature allows you to delve into the history of your task description and choose from previous versions. Similarly, when you delete a comment, you'll find an undo option popping up briefly, which, when clicked, brings back your erased comment immediately. Next, if you're dealing with items that have been deleted a while ago, you can restore them from the trash. Just navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner, click on Settings, and head over to Trash. Here you'll find a list of deleted items like tasks or even spaces. To restore any of these, all you need to do is click the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, next to the item and select Restore. This is incredibly useful for items deleted earlier since they don't disappear immediately and give you some breathing room to recover them. When it comes to undoing specific actions, some special features come into play. For instance, if you've renamed a task and want to revert it to its original name, you often have an undo option embedded directly within the renaming feature. Task descriptions, too, have a reliable feature. Simply click that clock-like icon in the description field to access and restore previous descriptions you've worked on. It's a straightforward way to keep accurate documentation of your project workflow. Now, it's important to note that merging tasks is one action that stands out in ClickUp due to its permanence. According to the ClickUp Help Center, once you merge tasks, this particular action cannot be undone. So make sure to double-check before merging to ensure it's what you truly want. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, you're now equipped to smoothly manage your tasks in ClickUp, even when the unexpected happens. Remember, the key to using any tool effectively is knowing where to find your undo options and making full use of them. Keep exploring ClickUp's features to optimize your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.